border with Ghana. Yesterday we crossed through Segbe border, SEGBE, because it is almost a hassle-free border. So the main border just opened to Lome. We call it AFLAO, AFLAO. So Lome is kilometer 0 actually from Ghana.
Yeah, they're very westernized.
Yeah. They dress, they don't wear it.
Yeah, they're very. And another thing you'll see, they have a lot of the bleaching stuff. Like,
A lot of bleaching.
look at the advertisements. You'll see advertisements for the bleaching, but you didn't see that in Ghana.
No.
But that's because the French were way more mental with their colonies, where people really wanted to be French.
Yeah.
That's why they're more Western. That's why they bleach. Because they really want to
My
be French.
brother said the unemployment situation or the employment situation. You know, it is critical. Sure, you might have been seeing so many young boys on motorbikes.
Yeah.
They are actually trying to have ends meet. It is not that they don't have qualifications. We have most of them with university degrees, but they could not actually get the right employment. So these people are doing transportation. To the right here, this is the vegetable market, close to the Lome Central Market, vegetable and fruits to the right. So these boys are doing transportation with their motorbikes. So those are taxis. Here they are not that much organized as in Benin. In Benin they even wear uniforms, depending on the cities. Some cities will be having them wear yellow, others purple, blue, and so on and so forth. Yeah. To the left, you could see people pulling in the net to your left. And fishing is a communal activity when a lot of people get together and then on their boats they go out very early to go and cast the net, and then together they'll start actually pulling it in, singing to encourage themselves to pull the net, and the ladies will come and join them, and when the catch is good, the fish is actually sold out to the ladies that will take it to their various homes and process in different ways, mostly drying it, smoking it, and salting it mostly. And
I want to now we also stay in Omo Tree. When we're in One Africa, how many of you were in Omo Tree guest house? Yeah. Do you remember that early in the morning you'll be hearing some people singing? Did you open your window to check them? They were pulling the nets from the ocean. Yeah, they casted the net overnight and they have a lot of fish. So they come and everybody hold a piece of the rope and they start going back. And then it's in a style that you love it. And the music, they compose their own music. Now, across the West African countries, fishing is not being done on Tuesdays. Tuesdays are free. That is the time they also meet their family because they go on fishing every day. Some of them go on fishing on the whole week. But on Tuesdays, no one put his canoe over there to fish. Thank you.
And also fishing works according to almost the caste system. We have across West Africa only some tribes that are good at fishing. We have the Fantis of Ghana and the Anglos of Ghana as well. So they are the ones that we see all along West Africa. in Gabon, Cameroon, Togo, Benin. They are the ones that we see. To your left here we have some iron rods in the sea. So those are the relics of the port that the Germans had built before leaving in 1914. The new Lome port was built in 1968, 8 years after independence. So we're driving now through the administrative quarter. To the right here, the French ambassador's residence to the right. Straight. And the street to the left goes to one of the presidential palaces, because Mr. the President in Togo has 2 palaces. So that is almost some of the reason why it is so difficult to quit power. So there is a lot of privilege in it. He has one seafront and one in the city center. So almost all the ministries are in this quarter. We have the Ministry of Environment to your right. Close to it we have the Ministry of Tourism. And we have the Ministry of Telecommunications. To the left, the Ministry of Finance. Akush. Yeah. And the White House